SDK.finance. Project settings. All SDK.finance Core Application configurations are located in the YAML files. The main application configurations are stored in the application module. Configurations allow the application to be set up. In the application YAML file, there are server configurations, application configurations, data source configurations, and many different parameters are used in the work of the SDK.finance Core Application. Also, some configurations may be defined to initialize default objects in the system at the initial start. Each module may contain its own configuration files. To define a configuration file, the file should have an application prefix in the name. All configurations are grouped in profiles in the application YAML file. Spring Boot profiles allow defining different configurations for different environments. There is a batch initializer class, which is used to execute a chain of steps in the appropriate order for system initialization, create currencies, default users' accounts for them, execute top-up for the created accounts, after applying the database migrations. If the SDK.finance Core Application is required to execute the initialization process, the version of the system initialization should be increment.